Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make baked potato. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's see our ingredients. I have here some small pieces of potato or small ones. If you have a big potato, you can cut it from the half. Some olive oil, 3 garlic cloves cut in half, 1 spoon of butter, little bit of apple vinegar, half spoon of oregano, half spoon of dry thyme, little bit of black pepper, some green mint leaves, and salt. These are our ingredients, and now let's prepare our potato. First, we're gonna boil the potato in a pot over the stove with the boiled water. Add the potato pieces in it, add over it some salt, and leave it boiled for around 15 minutes. Then take it out, strain it from the water, and leave it aside. In the baking tray, add some olive oil, the butter, whip the butter on the tray, then add the garlic and the spices with the mint leaves. Mix all together. Then add over it the potato, add a little bit of salt and some black pepper over it. Then mix the potato with the other stuff. You can also take the butter piece and rub the potato with it. Finally, add some vinegar. Mix all together and put it in an oven in a 200 degrees of temperature from both sides. Leave it until it's baked. And finally, my friends, this is our baked potato with a very nice smell, delicious taste, and easy to prepare. Put it on the plate and it will be more delicious if it's accompanied with yogurt sauce. And if you like to know how to make yogurt sauce, I'm gonna leave the link down below. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye.